Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new release from Solido, the Toyota Supra Mark 5 with the Fast and Furious livery. It's inspired by that car. That one is made by Jada at the 1/18 scale, and it's the Toyota Supra Mark 4 from the first Fast and Furious movie. This model also comes with lights, functional lights, and stop lights, and also we have some lights underneath the car, and also we have the Brian's figurine. But let's take a closer look at the Solido version. Of course, it's a metallic model with opening doors and functional steering. And I have to say it's a heavy model. It's pretty heavy to hold. Let's start in the front. The headlights look pretty good. Also have some stickers here. We have the front splitter in black, another small sticker there underneath the Toyota logo. On the side we have the wheels, which look pretty good, also with the brake caliper and brake disc. On the side we have the sticker which resembles the one from the Fast and Furious. Also we have some parts makers down here. In the back we have this huge wing. Also we have the Toyota logo, GR logo, the California license plate, and a road buoy sticker there. And we have the two exhaust tips. Underneath the model we have some details here in the back, and also the exhaust that goes all the way from the front to the back. Let's open the doors to check the interior. There we go. Let me zoom in. The interior looks pretty good. We have a lot of details on the steering wheel and also on the dash. Of course we have that BMW gear lever, and also the center console looks pretty good. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? Also I want to know if you're gonna buy the old version to put it next to this version. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.